In this video, I'll show you how to install Redbox TV on your Android TV quickly and easily. First, ensure your Android TV is connected to the internet and enable unknown sources in the settings under Security and Restrictions. Next, open a web browser on your TV or another device and download the Redbox TV APK file from a trusted source. Transfer the APK to your TV using a USB drive or a file-sharing app like Send Files to TV. Once the file is on your device, use a file manager to locate and install the APK by clicking on it and following the on-screen instructions. After installation, open Redbox TV, grant the necessary permissions, and start streaming live TV channels for free. Remember to use a VPN for privacy and security while streaming. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.